Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is an unboxing for Until Midnight. If you don't know what that is, it is another romance book subscription. I got mine at cratejoy.com and I paid $26.10. But that's because at the time I got a $3 what do you call that, code or something like that. I don't even know if it's still around, but it's normally $29 a month. So let's get into it, shall we? I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Okay, so I opened the box, and this is what you see. This is my first new subscription. I love this box already. Not only do they create, cute little things. First of all, I got a necklace, and it looks like the sky. I love it. Okay. The first thing I see are little chocolate balls. So I will definitely be eating these when I'm reaching. So I got 2 of those. I got a bookmark or coloring rose little bookmark. It's so cute. It says Count the Dreams. I got a pin. It's like a coffee mug. Oh, how cute. I got a ring that looks like it's like a nail sort of thing. How cute is that? I got 4 rose lollipops. I got 3 tea light candles. I'm already loving this box too. 3 tea light candles. Okay, the books. Lindsay Sands Love Bites. So I'm guessing this is a vampire novel, which I will definitely read. And Wings of Fire by Chris Rohn. Rohn. So I will definitely read them. And of course, the cute little necklace with little bling on the side, which I love. So that is everything in the Until Midnight box. If you're interested, go to cratejoy.com and check them out. I love getting boxes like this. I'm going to continue to get boxes like this. But if you haven't already, subscribe. Also, click the like button if you like this video. Also, click the subscribe, click the bell button, and you'll be notified every time I post a video. And I will see you guys next week, most likely. So, alright, bye guys. Have a good day.